Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce mac and cheese. First, melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour for about 1 minute to create a smooth roux. This forms the essential base for our creamy sauce. Now, slowly pour in 2 cups of whole milk, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps. Keep whisking until the mixture gently thickens. With your thickened milk mixture, remove it from the heat to avoid scorching. Now, it's time for the star ingredient, the cheese. Stir in 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese, such as sharp cheddar or Gruyere, until it's completely melted and smooth. This creates that rich, velvety texture we all love. Finally, season your sauce with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg for depth of flavor. While your sauce is coming together, cook 8 ounces of elbow macaroni according to the package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Remember, we don't want mushy pasta. Once cooked, drain it thoroughly and immediately add the hot pasta directly into your prepared cheese sauce. Gently fold everything together until every piece of macaroni is coated in that delicious, creamy goodness. Transfer this mixture into a 9x 13-inch baking dish, and feel free to add a little extra cheese on top for a golden crust. Now for the grand finale. Bake your mac and cheese in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. You're looking for a bubbly sauce and a beautifully golden brown, slightly crispy topping. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving to allow the sauce to set. This classic dish is perfect for any occasion. Also, for some great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.